Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to VCHS. We're your hosts, Jacob Bryant.
And I'm Logan Walk. Let's start out with today's lunch. Today, we will be munching on cheesy chicken and pasta, red peppers, garlic bread, broccoli, peaches, and a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now, a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I'm Cale Beasley, and here are today's top 5 news stories. 1. Congress looks at sending Americans a tariff rebate check. 2. Heinz and Smoothie King are blending ketchup into a real fruit smoothie. 3. Roblox rolling out an AI system to protect children from predators and chats. 4. Owner of Trump-themed Texas burger joint is facing deportation. 5. Tens of thousands of plastic ducks released in Chicago.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
Benevolent, well-meaning and kindly.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt.
Now we take a look at this year's Junior Citizens Award.
Hi guys, my name is Sallie Longwell. I'm a senior this year. I'm on the dance team, the drum major, the marching band. I'm in FCA, NHS, Link Crew, and senior class president. I was voted to be the next junior citizen at Valley Center by teachers and administration. So thank you guys so much for everyone who voted for me. This truly is such an honor and I'm so thankful for it. I will be in the Fall Fest parade, so I will see you all there. I'm so excited for this senior year and all the new experiences and memories that we're gonna make. So thank you guys.
Now we take a look into something good in Valley Center.
My name's Mariah, and something good happening in my life is I'm already almost done with my senior year.
Hi, I'm Michelle Romig, and the best thing to happen right now is it's fall weather, sweater weather, pumpkin spice, and all the wonderful things for fall.
Hi, my name's Savion, and 2 events that are coming up that's going to be good is we don't have school.
My name is Logan Walk, and a lot of people tell me I look like Graydon Greenwood.
Hi, my name's Ace, and we got a 4-day weekend coming up.
Let's take a look at this week's events.
Hello, my name is Wyatt Wolf, and I'm your student body president, and here is your Stucco Corner of the Week. On Monday, we have freshman and JV football at Eisenhower, varsity girls golf at Newton, and JV girls golf at Eisenhower. Tuesday, we have varsity girls tennis at home, varsity boys soccer at an Arc City tournament, varsity girls golf at Andover Central, and JV girls golf at Derby. On Wednesday, we have varsity boys soccer at the Arc City tournament again. Thursday, we have C-team volleyball at Salina Central, varsity girls tennis at Collegiate, and JV tennis at Goddard. And then Friday, we have our Valley Center football game at home, and then Saturday, we have the varsity volleyball game at home, varsity and JV cross country out at Emporia, JV tennis at home, and varsity and boys soccer again at the Arc City tournament.
As the school activities are heating up, our weather this week is starting to heat up a tad. Let's look at today's weather.
Hello, my name is Brecken, and here is your today's weather. Today we will have a high of 76 degrees with partially cloudy skies, and tonight will be the low of 61 degrees with a winds of 10 to 15.
And now it's time for a quick blast to the past. We leave you with this day in history.
Stay classy, VC.
September 8th, 1900. America's deadliest natural disaster as a hurricane slams into Galveston, Texas. The storm kills an estimated 6,000 to 12,000 people, destroying much of the city. 1974. Just a month after taking office, President Gerald Ford pardons his predecessor, Richard Nixon. Ford says Americans need to move beyond the Watergate scandal that forced Nixon to resign.
It could go on and on and on, or someone must write the end to it. I have concluded that only I can do that.
1664. What's now the largest city in the United States changes hands. The Dutch surrender New Amsterdam to the British, who rename it New York. 1941. During World War II, Nazi Germany's forces begin a 900-day siege of Leningrad in what's then the Soviet Union. More than 500,000 of the people die, most of hunger, during the siege of the city now known as St. Petersburg, Russia. 1922.
We just climbed Mount Slippery. Mount Slippery. Boy, that's in the Banana Valley, you know.
Were there any?
Slipping and sliding, that's all we did.
Comedian Sid Caesar, an early TV star with Your Show of Shows, is born in Yonkers, New York. And 1966. Star Trek, the sci-fi TV series that spawned a media franchise that lasts to this day, premieres on NBC. Today in History, September 8th. Tim McGuire, The Associated Press.